In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Select Dropdown on Figma. We'll build a clean, interactive select field using text, auto layout, components, variants, and a bit of prototyping so it behaves like a real dropdown. Start by opening your design. Add a text layer by pressing T and type something like option. With that text selected, press Shift+A to wrap it in auto layout. This gives the option a frame with padding that will resize cleanly. Add a background fill to that frame to match your design, and set the text layer inside to fill container so it expands properly within the option. Turn this option into a component, then add a variant. In the variant, change the background color to a light gray to represent a hover state. Switch to prototype, drag the plus handle from the default option to the hover variant. Set the trigger to while hovering and set the action to instant. Now you have a hover highlight for each option. Open the Assets panel, drag your option component onto the canvas. Duplicate it vertically to create a list and align them in a column. Select all those option instances together and press Shift+A to put them in an auto layout stack. For each option frame in that stack, set it to fill container so they stretch evenly across the list. Create a rectangular shape for the closed select field and add main text, like select an option. From the Assets panel, search for a down arrow icon and place it inside the field. Select the field and press Shift+A to convert it to auto layout so the label and arrow align nicely. Set the label text to fill container to push the arrow to the edge. Select the whole field, make it a component, and add a variant. In this variant, flip the down arrow upward to indicate the open state. Resize the frame to make space for the menu. Copy your options list. Click into the variant and paste it. With the list selected, enable absolute position and place it just below the field within that variant. Go back to prototype. Drag a connection from the down arrow in the closed state to the open variant. Set the trigger to on click. And choose Smart Animate so it opens smoothly. Then connect from the up arrow in the open variant back to the main variant with on click and instant to close it. Finally, create a top-level frame. Drag your select component into it and hit Present. Hover to see the option highlight. Click to open and close and you are done. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.